By the end of this video, you'll know a system that can take you from dreading your textbooks to actually looking forward to studying. But first, let me ask you something. What if the same tricks that make you scroll TikTok for hours could make you study for hours too? What if your brain could crave progress in your class the same way it craves leveling up in a video game? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to work with your brain's reward system, not against it. And the best part? You can get the basics running in about 5 minutes. Here's the thing. Your brain is wired for fun, not for boring work. It's not your fault. Your brain sees a textbook as a threat to its energy, and it sees social media as a quick reward. The problem isn't that you're lazy. The problem is that studying by default has zero game mechanics. No points, no levels, no rewards. Let's fix that. But here's the secret. You don't have to force yourself to study. You have to make studying rewarding. The most effective students I know don't just grind, they turn it into a game. And this isn't just a theory. I've shared this with other students, and the feedback is almost always the same. It just clicks. When you start getting points for your effort, the whole dynamic changes. Trick number 1, the XP system. First, we're creating an XP or experience point system. You decide the values, but here's a simple start. Every 25 minutes of focused studying equals 100 XP. Every practice problem you finish, that's 10 XP. And every chapter you complete, you get 500 XP. You can use any habit tracker, but I recommend Habitica. It's already built like a game. Plug in these tasks and watch your brain start chasing those points. But here's the key. You need to level up. Every 1000 XP you earn, you hit a new level, and each level unlocks a real reward. Trick number 2, the reward system. This is where most people mess up. Your rewards need to match the effort. Here's a good ladder to start with. At level 2, you get 30 minutes of guilt-free YouTube or TikTok. At level 3, you can order your favorite snack or drink. At level 5, you can buy that game or item you've been wanting. And at level 10, you've earned a zero responsibility day off. The rule is simple. Small effort, small reward. Big effort, big reward. Your brain needs to make that connection. Trick number 3, the streak system. Now we add streaks, the most addictive part of any game. Track these daily, your study streak. How many days in a row you've studied. Your focus streak, how many 25-minute sessions you've done today. And your perfect day streak, for days where you hit all your XP goals. Here's the psychology trick. Once you hit a 7-day streak, your brain will do anything to not break it. It becomes painful to miss a day. Trick number 4, competition. Find one friend and turn it into a competition. Share your XP daily. The loser buys coffee for the winner every week. Or join study groups on Discord, where people share their daily XP. Nothing motivates. You like seeing someone else getting ahead. Trick number 5, boss battles. Here's the advanced move. Turn your tests and assignments into boss battles. Before any big test, you need to level up enough to face the boss. Set a minimum XP requirement. No cramming allowed. You either prepared properly or you're not ready for the boss fight. This completely changes how you think about tests. Instead of scary events, they become final challenges you've been preparing for. Trick number 6, daily quests. Every morning, write down 3 daily quests. For example, 1, complete 4 focus sessions for 400 XP. 2, review yesterday's notes for 100 XP. 3, do 10 practice problems for another 100 XP. Check them off as you go. Your brain loves completing lists. It's the same dopamine hit as finishing a quest in a video game. Trick number 7, the avatar. Create a study avatar, a character that represents your academic self. Give them a name, draw them, or use an AI generator. Every time you study, you're not just earning XP, you're making your avatar stronger. When you skip studying, your avatar gets weaker. This sounds silly, but it works, because your brain starts identifying with this character. You don't want to let them down. Look, I know this can seem like a lot of moving parts, but remember, you can start this in 5 minutes. Just start with the XP system. The students who use this system feel a difference in the first week. The ones who stick with it find that studying stops being a chore. They avoid and starts being a game they want to win. So do this today. Download a habit tracker. Set up one goal. 25 minutes of focus for 100 XP. That's it. Start there. Hit subscribe if this was helpful. And comment with day 1 to start your streak. Let's see how far we can all get. Now go get some XP.